July som thum pakhat sang hi som ni parwani he pathian zara July tha ni hung berdam takin han chuang kai le ta alomam khop mai ro pui khop mai di hakan soima support mai nge hey Zelensky hian in Russia hian in North Korea siam ballistic missile an mangani tiang hian in aron phunde uni na langa kia ngai dana sonin anin do ta sa sa an chak theina turani chuanin an thei ang arem ang tran puina an don thei ang khang kha an mang ve mai tura ka nga ya Zelensky hianin achawa a in do puya Russia pon achawa avaruna ti hianin an in dowa mo ngam le ngam men le men te chu khatianga hanin do hrep nuwa le lampangin atle ma man ro thadeu hlekan ron man nuwa amang fair lo tiang zong de hleka soi kha chu apalo mama in ka hre mi chungcha he kan ron reng ka ron soi zawanga chum ha chon he kan en photang
Joe and Joe, Joe and Joe, oh, Joe and Joe, oh, Joe and Joe, shopping center, local Peru,
Joe and Joe Shopping Center Falkland East chuan kumtin an lo ti phone chinangin andor bungrwa thuam no chi sang sang le in chhum bungrwa te mai ba ka electric bungrwa te chu stock clearance run pui ankal pui le te chur chur ta tim blazer che sali zoko man te po che sa kha zoko sum ko chawin an discount le te chur chure chu mai ni lo electric bungrwa chi sang sang company chale tlo 60% line discount kal pui me ka ni bok a hun chung array don lo he hun nang fu tu ten ni lo anin ti chin sia te sia in he hun hi ron van ne pui ve nge yang che Joe and Joe Shopping Center Falkland East rompan ve fa tro le contact number 9612507530
bathroom silfaina, leadang latam local ru, Ramazaveru, Joe and Joe.
Joe and Joe Shopping Center in Lodor ve theu do dania ole tuna zonin kan react tanang
out on allowing Ukraine to produce
yo let's go.
The Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky has claimed that Russia used a North Korean ballistic missile in its latest strike in Ukraine.
Ukraine beinan Vladimir Putin hianin North Korea siam ballistic missile amangane tiani Zelensky hian mo.
And according to Ukraine's Air Force, Russia fired about 74 missiles and 284 drones during the overnight barrage. An attack
Arab thak ve kha chu Iran le US Indo chu lo nep te ni kha Russia hianin Ukraine beinan Zankhata ballistic missile som sari pali le drone zanghi chuang kap heu mai ngai na omlo Iran in ballistic missile pali pangavel aka ha kan lo react ve tri tria Russia le Ukraine lo bon le maya
attack on the village of Radushne in central Ukraine has killed at least 10 people, including children, and injuring more than 50 others.
Mi som ngain liam an tuara ti chuan no pang tepo liam tur zing hen an tela mi som chuang in na an cha ni Russia na Ukraine va be hian mo turu rem hle mai North Korea missile chon in thila ti thei om hle maya.
Officials said that the victims were all members of the same family. The youngest victim was just 1.5 years old.
Athi no pang ber chu kum khat le chan ve chu mala an khongai va.
The Zelensky said that there will be a detailed investigation, but prima facie, it appeared to be North Korean ballistic missile, and he called on the international partners, including the
Rapsak le mai Zankhat thil tuwa missile som sari pali le drone zathum do ni hi drone zan hi som ret pali han ka chua pop mai chu la rapsak le me
United States and Europe to increase air defense support for
Zelensky hian in US te Europe te air defense lampanga Ukraine tran pui turin som top mai ne mo pui ru ti ne pui amamo rem ko mai Zelensky la hi tlom du big der silawa
called on the international partners, including the United States and Europe, to increase air defense support for Ukraine.
In Radushna, the Russians used a North Korean missile for the first time in a long while.
North Korean missile mang ama ngai hian tian video recorder ron soi chuak ama sarkar pon ron ponglo ama ngai na soi ne.
According to preliminary data, of course, there will be further investigations, and
North Korea siam ballistic missile mang nge ya amaro chu he aya chiang dewa chui chien te po la ni yang ati
everything will be verified. But as of now, this is a North Korean ballistic missile. The alliance of Moscow's lowlifes with the insane regime in North Korea, for the sake of missiles, for the sake of the North Korean contingent here in Europe, on our borders, for the sake of killing our Ukrainian children.
But even as
Zelensky nia tuna athu so yeki chu ka ngai dan chuanin US te Europe ram atanga puina na sajok adon le zual theina turatan khan tiang te po hianin a soi chuak ve te poni theya chan chu politics a in rol na sadona indo na ma ni se politics a in rol na sadona tin US le Europe ram atang hianin puina tamtak amamo don amaro chu e khatianga puina tamtak amamo rol khanin Donald Trump ate hi chuanin Joe Biden te anga han pui vak kha adu lem to lo ni na langa Trump hi chu Russia Vladimir Putin te nen po hianin eng mo chena hianin hanin ti thatna riau te po hi an nei ni na langa hetil hi chu Ukraine hi an chan hi a cheve rem ri khop mai tu na takhian
Kiev has sought to strengthen its air defenses, the American President Donald Trump has cast doubt on allowing Ukraine to produce Patriot missiles. During an interview, he said that it is a very extraordinary weapon and the United States has got to be very careful as to who they license it to.
Donald Trump here in Patriot missile air defense system Iran vela pon man khamo Iran in a ballistic missile ron ka chu pia Patriot in a low intercept khatiang kha ta kha Ukraine hi man tir ve hi a phalchi lo din la nga ni tu na hian ai ngai to lu kho mai Trump hi Patriot air defense system te chu ral thuam thalut tu kania chu wang chuanin Ukraine te ang ram kan man tir don hi chuanin kan ngin ngai to luk fe nga yang ti in Trump hian soi dei mai ni soi to in Trump hian in Joe Biden te nga Ukraine han pui Zelensky demand piang lo o ve ringot kha adu to chi lo ni na lang
A Russian missile strike is reported.
So in Ukraine lampang po here in Russia e-commerce facilities kan ti ang site po ka abei ve thawani Ukraine here in beile lo ni lawa abei ve reng thawa amaro zo Russia he chebon turu chho khop mai
Destroyed a drone factory in Kiev linked to a US-based company. The
drone factory Ukraine kopui Ukraine kopui Kiev drone factory po he Russia lampang here in lo bom chi ani
facility was allegedly involved in the production of drones for Ukraine's war effort.
Kami drone facility an ti chia drone siam chuana an ti chia da Russia tan chona poimo a chan chu Ukrainian in hemi drone facility atang hian in Russia be nan drone an lo siam chuak thin ti ania hi Russia la pang te po hian in intelligence atang te pon an thri anga chu wang chu heting te po hian in an target ni thei ni
Meanwhile, Ukraine has continued with its attacks on Russia's e-commerce facilities. Smoke was seen rising.
Hi Russia ramani Ukraine po hian an be vereng thau be chu an in to na sakap mai he ram pan hi media lam pang hian in an soi thawa amaro chu US in rol lo wang hian in US in rol na zok kula Middle East lam pang hu lang sar zok ti mai kha ani
from a warehouse in the Penza region after Ukraine reportedly targeted the area with drones. One person was injured and more than 200 other employees were evacuated after a
thok tu zan hi mun him lama son cho an ni ya mi pakhata in lia mani an va nei rem khop ma he ya khu mei khu hi turu ro pui mai siamo
fire broke out at a wild berries facility. Poland has accused Russia of airspace violation after a missile explosion was reported near a village close to the Ukrainian border. And
Poland ram chunga po hianin missile pakhat lo po kani he missile hi Russia missile ni na langa Poland hi Russia la ka hianin alung oil lo ve le ni indo na ani ya tianga thil thleng zeu hi chu om lo thei lo
during the incident, NATO has said that it is in close contact with Poland and is vowed to take all necessary measures.
NATO le Poland hi tiang hianin an in berenga ma lak atul na apieng suanin man la zel don ani tin NATO lampang chuanin Poland hi ron thil bok ani
to defend the NATO territory. Poland's Prime Minister Donald Tusk said that the missile that caused the explosion was likely a Russian Kh-101.
According to military experts, the vast majority of the evidence, including the fragments found, points to a Russian Kh-101 missile.
Russian Kh-101 missile ani nge yani ti tunang kan thre thei china chuanin kan soingam ani tin Poland Prime Minister Donald Tusk here ni na soyani.
This is a cruise missile. It is, of course, capable of carrying payloads, and it is also highly likely that an explosion occurred. The size of the crater, approximately 10 meters in diameter and up to 5 meters deep or even deeper, shows that this was a very serious incident.
Poland ram chuang khian in ting khian missile la puaka thil le hliam chu nom chuang lawa ama ro chu Poland lampain an ngai thutak khop mai choni tina ka soi kan han soi zau le lokanga US Ukraine le Russia indona hian in anril ru pezok se Ukraine indona te hi han tran puin Russia te han bomta se chu news tam tak hian in news media tam zo hian in US le Ukraine le Russia indona hi an ran chuwa charang amaro chu US in rol du vak lawa wang hian in US in rol na zok Middle East lampang hi hi news a hi din hmu tur ta ma kan ron react jing boka ka kan ron react jing zoka amaro chu Russia le Ukraine te hi an lo in do na sakhop mai US le Iran te an in be an in do ai po hian in an lo in kap na sa zo hin ga ria a chan chu missile Iran te hi chuan in missile pahni pathum pali te ti hen ni khata ang kap chuak ta tlang pui chuan awra joi Russia lampang chuan in Zankhat thilwa missile somsari pali te me kap chuak pap mai ne turu khop mai o hei hi Russia le Ukraine din hunania North Korea po hi tiang hian in indirect dewin an ron in rol ve ti chu achiang ani Russia lampang hian in North Korea Ballistic Missile man saka Zelensky lung oilo le ti theiwa ka nei lawa chu wang chuan in Europe le US lampang te tran puina adil top ani azong kha ani video lai mulai theu don ni o